Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yay! Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guess what? Today, I'm showing you guys how to make some French toast, alright? My grandma passed me down this recipe and I tweaked it a little bit to my own liking, you know what I mean? And I'm just gonna walk you through this French toast. Enjoy. Okay. Super important, a shallow dish. We're already starting off strong. Let's go over the ingredients. I have a huge jar. We're only going to be using a little bit of powdered sugar. Obviously, we need some bread. I'm using Texas toast. You can use literally any type of bread that you like or want. I have 3 eggs, a glass of milk. We're also going to be needing spices. I have some cinnamon, some nutmeg, a little bit of salt, butter for our pan later on. This amount of ingredients probably would feed like 4 to 5. If you wanted to condense it, I would say to just use like 2 eggs. We're not going to use all the milk. It's going to be as we go. We're just going to see how much we need. But let's get started. So first, you want to crack your eggs. So you're going to crack every single egg. Make sure to crack it in the middle of your bowl like a cave woman. So I like to start with my eggs first, and then I'm gonna add my spices in. So I'm gonna put in some cinnamon, and you're gonna be generous with your cinnamon. Very generous. I should have actually put way more cinnamon. If you think you put too much, we could always dilute it later on with some milk. But we're gonna put a sprinkle of nutmeg, just a sprinkle. You don't want it to be bitter. And then we're going to hit it with a tablespoon of powdered sugar. You could be generous with your powdered sugar. It is a sweet dessert. I just put a tablespoon. I don't know. Scared to live outside the box, Lena. We're going to whisk that up. Fun fact, I like to whisk my dry ingredients into my eggs because I feel like the powder doesn't float to the top when we add the milk. So I like to make a cohesive mixture, get all of the clumps, get all the powder, work it into my eggs until it's a nice, beautiful base. And then go ahead and hit it with a little bit of salt, just a little tiny sprinkle, just for the savory. And then we're gonna hit it with a splash of milk and go little by little. It just so happens that I'm perfect and I put a splash of milk and it was the perfect consistency. So I saved the rest of that milk for when my French toast was done. Now I'm going to get my Texas toast. Regular slices of bread is fine too. Any bread, actually, you can use whatever bread you want. I'm going to go ahead to a nonstick pan. And even though it's a nonstick pan, I just prefer a nonstick pan. But even though it's a nonstick pan, I'm still going to get some butter. And I am actually using Sweet Cream Land O'Lakes butter. So it is salted butter, which is good for this. It's good for frying, you know. Throw noble butter in the pan. And then we're going to dunkaroonie our spatula. You want to cover the bottom of the pan. We want that butter to caramelize our French toast. Give your little dish a swirl to get the cinnamon moving, and you're gonna dunk it and flip it and soak it. You're gonna soak the bread until it's completely covered and you feel like it's even in the inside of the bread, and throw it in. Throw it in your beautiful buttered pan. Your butter should be melted, not burned. It should be melted. And you could probably fit like 2 in the pan. That's cool. Again, you want to soak them. You could even, if you wanted, you could even let them sit in there for like 2 minutes. Let them sit in there. I was too in a rush. Have no patience. That's why it's probably not the best. Obviously, like if I would have waited, it would have been better. But you're just going to let that cook on one side for like 2 to 3 minutes. Go ahead and give her a turn. You could add more butter if you like, but I'm using a nonstick pan. There was still butter in my pan. It was fine. So I just left it. I let her cook a little bit. She's looking cute. She's looking toasty. She's looking cinnamony. Give her another flip. let her cook a little bit because Texas toast is like thick and she was taking a while and I was on low heat. I wasn't trying to burn it. So I was just low and slow getting a nice little flip because I'm a G. Then we done. Serve it up with a knob of butter and some syrup. Put a little bit of powdered sugar for the fairies. Powdered sugar for my Mary. Shout out to my grandma. I love you, grandma. Wow, so cute. Serve it up. Serve it up. Serve it up!
But wait, there's more. You could even put like fruits and like ice cream, and you can like and you could subscribe and you could share the video.